guys, welcome to my channel. This is Whitney without the H. I'm coming at you guys with an unboxing. I ordered 2 products from the keyshiaka'oir website. I ordered her tea and her waist eraser. I forgot the exact names of it, but when I see the receipt, I will know. So I believe it came within 5 business days from me ordering it. This is how it came. Please excuse the beat upness. That's not due to her, that's due to my mail person stuffing it in the mailbox. So please excuse how beat up this package is. It's not a reflection of her. Okay. And excuse the coloring on this camera. It's actually nighttime now that when I'm filming, but I wanted to get this video out to you guys, and I did not want to wait to open my package. Okay, so I'm about to open it. I'm so excited, like I'm always am so excited. And excuse me for being off center a little bit in this video. I'm always apologizing. I'm sorry. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. I'm just breaking the seal right now. I'm so excited. This is how it's coming. Okay, Zorlin. Oh, this is a belt. Unfortunately, I did get blue. I don't think I was able to pick the color. This is the tea. But hold on, let me see what it came with. Came with this booklet. Also came in a package. Oh, and it just shows you info about what you ordered and her other products. Also got my receipt. So it's called the K'oir waist eraser. That's the proper name for it. And the K'oir Slim and Tea. Okay. I got a size extra large, so an extra large, 46 inches, cause your girl's big. Yeah, and I paid a total, was very pricey, the guys, but I did it. I'll tell you in another video where I did it. I paid $139.24, $139.24, and actually I am horrible because it's nighttime, as I said. So excuse that. This excuse everything. Anyways, so I guess what I'm going to do is open it up for you guys on camera. So it looks, I'm not even going to say how it looks. This is just an initial review. Okay, and this is how it's looking. This is how the product is looking, guys. This feels pretty good. I like that it has a belt. Oh, actually it's matching me today. Let me show. This is it. This is the tea. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this video a little short. It's 0 calories in the tea. Directions: brew 1 tea bag in a half a cup of boiling water for 5 minutes. Okay, that's what it's saying. It's a 14-day detox. So I guess you're supposed to drink it every day, once a day. But I heard that you should drink it at night so you can feel the effects in the morning. And if you're working or going to school, be very careful. So I guess, should I try it on for you guys? I think I'm gonna try it on for you guys. So give me give me 1 second, Zorlin. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys. So I just stepped back It's a different position right now, so I'm gonna try it on over my shirt. Okay, so here it is. I do not know how to really put this on, but we gonna wing it today. Excuse me if you don't see my face. I just want y'all to see the product and see if it fits. I'm a big thing. So I guess this is what I see people doing, stretching it all the way to one side and doing this. Ooh, this is strong. The Velcro on this is very, very strong. Excuse how it look. It's just the first time I'm putting it on. So yeah. And then I guess bring this as tight as you can. And there you have it. The first time I'm trying it on. How it's looking the first time. Excuse that. And like that. Okay, so you guys see me trying on. I still have the product on right now. But yeah, it fits pretty good. I mean, I just gotta get a little slimmer. Like that. I'm trying to do that. And I got my tea. And yeah, I got my tea and everything. So I'm set. So what I am going to do, this is just an initial review. But I am going to actually use these products, try to come at you guys once I use it for a week straight with no skipping, because I hate when people try to give you a review and they didn't even use the product correctly. To me, that's unfair to the other consumers or customers, and it's also unfair to the actual company itself, because it's not a legitimate review. You have to use the products as they say. So I am going to do a 1 week of using each product, each thing. So please guys, subscribe to my channel so you can see that review of an update. And I am going to go on a mini weight loss journey. I'm going to have a whole separate video discussing that, what I plan to do and why, if y'all want to see that. So please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see an update on each product, which will be the Slim and Tea and the Waist Eraser Girl. So if you want to see that, I was trying to get thumbnail. But anyways, if you want to see that, please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. I said that 3 times. My name is Whitney without an H. Please remember that. And I will have plenty of videos for you. But yes, so far so good. It feels good, feels comfortable. I have no complaints about this right now. But yes, because I love me some updates. I don't know about Charles. I love updates. I like to see how the product works. I'm a big girl, so I'm going to give it to you the truth. Okay, I'm not a slim teen, so I'm gonna give it to you the truth. So please stay tuned for that. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me more video ideas if y'all want to see something else. I am a new YouTuber, so excuse the lighting, excuse the editing. Everything will get better, but guess what? You will be coming with me on this journey. Okay, see you later.